This is Mahilini. I have completed my MBBS and MD in General Medicine at the Faculty of Medicine, University of Colombo, Sri Lanka, and I have come to UK to do my overseas training. During this time, I wish to do MRCP, and I have joined Dr. AHAD'S MRCP syndrome in March 2025. I had only 2 months time for the preparation, and I initially started with Dr. AHAD'S MADBOX notes, which contain necessary exam points and pearl notes, every system basis summary, and RCP questions with answers, and past papers with answers and original recalls. During last 2 weeks of exam, Dr. AHAD'S was doing genetics and statistics, some therapeutics, and also a system-based theory, especially on rheumatology, pulmonology, etc. Also, I want to highlight Dr. AHAD was doing last past paper with original recall, which was very helpful just before the exam. And at this point, I want to thank Dr. Kuram Mahitsa. He was sending voice messages in almost all topics necessary for the exam as a summarized version. And also, whenever we put our doubt in the group, he used to reply with the voice messages, which questions we couldn't get the answers from any books or materials. And also, I want to thank our colleagues who were actively participated during our MRCP syndrome preparation group and till last moment of the exam, which created a stress-free environment for the exam. I want to give some points for my colleagues who are waiting to do MRCP Part 1 exam. First thing I want to give you, please revise whatever you studied during your preparation at least 2 weeks before the exam, and also try to do at least last 10 years past papers with answers, and also this Dr. AHAD'S MADBOX and Pearl notes, which are summarized version of necessary topics for the exam. Without memorizing those, please try to understand and keep in your memory without just memorizing, because we have to apply those knowledge for each and every questions. And also, whenever you do the questions, please try to find out the best answer. At the same time, please try to exclude other answers and find the reasons for the exclusion, because we have got nearly 20% questions from the Passmedicine and past papers which were not directly appeared in the similar manner, which means they have changed the pattern of asking, but the ultimate point was same. So when you do the question, please understand and try to exclude other 4 stems with possible explanation. Thank you so much. Best of luck.